Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by equipping an axe, ideally copper or better so you can remove larger bushes. Walk to the patch and clear any crops or items within a 3x3 area so nothing blocks your swings. Then face the bush and swing repeatedly until you see a stump or debris drop. Once done, pick up any fiber or sap immediately so inventory stays manageable. This prevents interrupting the chain of removals and keeps you ready for the next plant without backtracking. Next, tackle dense patches by using your upgraded axe and positioning yourself to reach overlapping tiles. Step diagonally so one swing can damage 2 bushes. Work from the edges inward to avoid getting boxed in by remaining growths, which saves time and movement. Make sure to monitor your stamina and tool meters. If energy drops, eat a quick snack to restore stamina, and then continue. This method reduces retries and prevents you from accidentally leaving isolated bushes that need a separate trip later. Finally, eliminate any remaining stumps with the axe and use the hoe or rake on thorny patches if the game shows obstructive debris. Once clear, immediately plant a crop or place a scare or path to discourage random bush spawns next season. This prevents rework. If a bush seems unremovable due to a glitch, make sure to fast travel away and return or reload your latest save. This resets tile state and resolves most stuck objects quickly. Troubleshoot calmly and repeat targeted swings until done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.